guys, we just checked in Adam's hotel. It's a king suite, okay? On the 5th floor, there is only 6. Last floor, it's a glass restaurant, but look at this beauty. Honestly, it's like, it's far too much for both of us, but look at the bathroom. So tastefully decorated, I swear to you, it's so gorgeous. Everything sanitized. Wardrobes, shower for tea. Look how much space we have. Presentation, look, champagne, local wine, commanderia. It's like a sweet wine, you know, kind of liqueur kind of thing. Macarons, look at this. So cute. Look at them. And here is the suites. We have a bar here, okay, with a long chairs, nicely decorated sofa, and I even have flowers. Okay, here is the TV. Just when you sit and relaxing in the living room, you can just have fun, watch TV. We came for Easter holiday. I have fresh flowers here. Look at the marvelous view. Look at this beach. Okay, we have massive veranda here with sunbeds. Look at the beach. They have so many swimming pools. I haven't even counted how many, but it's many. All of this ground belongs to Adam's hotel. And over there is a beautiful, gorgeous Nissi beach. Look at the turquoise water in there. Wow. It's a 10th of April, by the way. 22 degrees in Cyprus. It's a kids slide over there. Very good when you come in here with the family. They have a separate building which I am standing at, and also there is some bungalows in there for, I would imagine, like bigger family when they have a lot of kids in there, so those. And here is a separate building for adults only. As far as I understand, some of them has got swimming pools in there, you see. So you're coming out of the room into your own swimming pool. So that's a separate building. For those who likes privacy, let me just go there. See? So those rooms at the bottom has got swimming pool in it. Obviously, there is a lot of restaurants, but I'm planning to actually go on the 6th floor of this building. They have a glass restaurant, so everything made of glass. When I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna obviously post it, a video, and show you guys what it looks like. But the beach and the weather calling me to the beach to sunbed. It's massive territory. Listen, gorgeous. So could accommodate any size of the family as far as I understand, because there is a lot of bungalows like that with their own separate entries. And I'm not sure whether it's a room top and bottom, or maybe some of them like 2 floor rooms. Okay, come in here. This is marvelous living room that we've just been to. Okay, and coffee, tea facilities, mini bar, I would imagine, down there. So a fridge where you can keep your drinks. And look at this, amazing. Okay, this is wardrobes with like everything in it. Look at this grand bedroom. I swear to you, it's amazing. If you have a kids, they can just all of them jump on it because it's so big. It's unbearable and so tasty decorated. Here is a wardrobe for your shoes. Girls, welcome to heaven. And there is a safe box as well. So I swear to you, it's like a huge bedroom. But that's not all. I'm gonna also show you the bathroom of this suite. It's additional one. Look at the size. of this bathroom. Here is a bath. So we have a shower for two, we have a bath for two. And look at the size of actual bath. You can open a view. So I feel so privileged here. It's unbelievable. Thank you, Adams Hotel. Thank you for the hospitality. And thank you for all this. I'm really grateful.